Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop unknown incoming calls and messages on Android. Stopping unknown incoming calls and messages on your Android device can be achieved through built-in settings and also third-party apps. And this is how you can do it step by step. First, you can use the phone application to block unknown or private numbers. So you can open the phone app on your device. Tap on the menu or three dots icon at the top right corner to see more options and go to the block spam calls. And this is here, you need to enable these two options. Block all unknown incoming calls. So when enable, all incoming calls except those from your contacts will be blocked. You need to enable this. And also this one, block incoming calls from unknown or null numbers. So enable this. And also you can also use the do not disturb mode. You can go to the settings on your phone and then just find the do not disturb settings. This one, go to settings, sound and vibrations, and do not disturb. And in here you need to click on calls in here. So who you can modify who can call or message you. You can see start contacts anyone or none. So you can just allow calls only from your start contacts and block calls from anyone from everyone else. So you can just enable the do not disturb mode during specific times or manually turn it on. And to block the spam messages, you can just open the default messaging app on your phone. Okay, open message, and then you can just select the spam message, for example this one. Tap the more options or just directly click on this add to block list. And you can also enable the spam protection. You can just click on this three dots icon and tap on this block spam messages. You can see block numbers and block messages history. So enable the spam protection. You can also use third-party apps such as Truecaller, Call Blacklist to identify and block spam calls and messages. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.